how to change the Assistive Touch idle opacity on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down, and in here tap on Touch, then tap on Assistive Touch. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Idle Opacity. In here, you can drag it all the way to the right to make it completely visible. Otherwise, you can make it transparent by dragging it all the way down to 15%. So in here, when you drag it down to 15%, it is barely visible when it is idle. When you are not using it, you can't really see it at the lowest settings. And here, if we change it to the high settings at 100%, you can see this one is completely visible and it's cover over the top of the other icons. So that is 100% visible all the time. Otherwise, you can set it at a lower rate. Here, I will set it at say 25%. So when we are not using it, after a second or two, it will become idle and then it will be semi-transparent. And that's it. That is how you can change the Assistive Touch idle opacity on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.